Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 1 hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and as you can see, the DXY closed at 106.06. As we all know, that a couple of days ago there was a massive correction, massive fall on DXY, but DXY still managed to survive the fall, okay, because of the strong support around 105 level. We have talked in detail in our previous videos why this worked as support, and as you can see right now, that selling pressure is still very much present on the chart of DXY. But yes, DXY is still trying its best to survive above the very crucial support of 105 level, because if it breaks 105 level, then yes, there may be a heavy sell, okay, fresh wave of sell on DXY, and yes, there will be fresh wave of recovery on Euro USD, gold and other pairs. So yes, DXY's move will be very important in the coming week, because NFP is also coming up. But right now, as we can see, that there is no proper move on DXY. So let's wait for Monday, Tuesday next week. Let's see, okay, how DXY performs. I think DXY will try again to bounce from this level here, because if DXY falls below this level, then things will be very critical for DXY. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. This is a daily chart of Euro USD, and as we have discussed in a previous video also, that Euro USD has formed a double top kind of a pattern on the daily chart here. A clear double top is visible, and most importantly, we also have the 200 moving average, okay, coming down. So at the same level, we have a double top kind of a pattern formation going on, as well as the 200 moving average is also present as the dynamic resistance. And if we look at a weekly chart of Euro USD, then we can see that we have a very strong resistance on a weekly chart as well. So Euro USD will have to cross this particular level here to resume the uptrend. So in simple words, DXY is standing at a very crucial support. Euro USD is standing at a resistance. So if DXY successfully breaks 105 level, then we will see further recovery on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, now let's look at the levels for Monday. So these are the levels for Monday, but before I proceed, I would like to mention that, my dear friends, only 5 days left for the Forex Hero Masterclass, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. If you really like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the workshop, because this is the world's most cheapest workshop. Okay, I conduct every month. You can check out the link in the description below if you are really interested in taking up trading a serious source of income, and if you really like my work. That's it. Okay, and most importantly, I have shared my journey also, so that you can go through my story and understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And apart from that, you can also see that how the Forex workshop will transform your life. What are the benefits you'll receive? Yes, you'll also receive many benefits. You'll receive support for 1 month. Okay, so I think if you're really interested, then you should join it, because this will really change your life. Okay, anyways, let's proceed. So Euro USD, this is the 4 hours chart here. Okay, first of all, I would like to mention that yes, the important level that we have seen, okay, on the daily chart and a weekly chart is 1.0480. So Euro USD will have to cross this level to continue the uptrend, but as of now, we don't see such bullish move on the chart. So as a result, this is our resistance for Monday and Tuesday. So in case Euro USD goes up on Monday or Tuesday, then observe the market around this level, 1.0480, 1.0450. Let me edit it. This will be the resistance zone for Euro USD. If you see market struggling around this level, if you see that market is facing selling pressure from above, then don't be surprised, okay, because it is a very strong resistance, and you can consider taking a sell position. If you see a shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern around this level, you can go for a sell position around 1.0450, 1.0480 level, because market will have to break this, okay, with proper volume to resume the uptrend. Okay, as of now we don't have any signs yet, so we can expect a reversal. In case it breaks it on Monday, okay, in case it breaks it on Monday, then also we should not be going for immediate buy position, because as we all know, market is also full of false breakouts, isn't it? So in case market goes for breakout, okay, then also we should wait for a couple of hours, and we should go for a buy at pullback only for safer entry. Okay, anyways, this is the resistance for us. If market reverses, we can go for a sell position, and this is the best support for us for Monday and Tuesday, 1.0225 level. In case market comes down, market shows heavy fall, you can expect the market to take support around this level for Monday. Okay, in case something bad happens with the market, obviously I'm coming on Monday to tell you what should be our next strategy. But as of now, this is an important resistance from where we can expect a reversal. This is an important support from where we can expect a bounce. We can go for a bounce if market takes support and starts going up. Okay, but on the other hand, you can see that I have also mentioned two levels in the middle of the chart, 1.0335 and 1.0310. These are the two big levels. Okay, but if the volatility of the market remains low, let's say if the volatility of the market remains like this, because when there is no news in the market, okay, market performs normal, isn't it? So if the volatility of the market remains low, especially during the first half of Monday, you can expect the market, okay, you can expect the market to bounce from this level to 1.0335. At least you can expect a bounce of 30 pips, 25 to 30 pips. If market comes to 1.0335 and bounces, you can definitely go for a buy position. On the other hand, if market takes support around 1.0310, then also you can go for a proper buy position. But yes, no level is permanent in the market, so please follow proper risk management. Just keep in mind that these two levels are not very strong. One thing you must understand very well, that see, not all the levels in the market have equal strength. Okay, and a trader can only expect profit. Okay, the profit is not in your hand. The only thing a trader can control is the loss. The main difference between a professional trader and a retail trader is that retailers only look at the profit side. Okay, they just imagine things. Okay, we do not calculate our loss, whereas professional traders, okay, they control the loss. Once you start controlling your loss, the money will start coming in automatically. So my dear friends, start controlling the loss. Okay, so if the volatility of the market remains low, then if market starts coming down, you can expect the market to bounce. If market bounces, go for a buy position. Okay, and expected profit, as I said, 25 to 30 pips easily. On the other hand, okay, this is a resistance zone. Okay, hopefully if the volatility of the market remains low, market should reverse. Let's wait and watch. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.